Local news for Monday, the 11th of June. Agriculture and Biosecurity Minister Damien O'Connor says nearly 2 weeks after the decision to take out one shot to eradicate Mycoplasma bovis, the program is making good progress. The disease was discovered near Pahiatua a fortnight ago and near Masterton last week. South Wairarapa vets and Pukaha Bruce staff danced the night away as Dancing with the Vets took place in Carterton on Saturday night. A packed event centre saw over $10,000 raised for Pukaha Bruce, including a $1,000 donation from the Carterton Lions. And in Premier Rugby from the weekend, Marist beat Masterton Red Star 75-5, while Ikitahuna went down to Greytown 31-18. Martinborough beat East Coast 29-13, and Gladstone beat Carterton 22-20.